Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to always open Google Chrome in incognito mode. So let's first right click on the Google Chrome shortcut icon on the desktop and click on properties. Now under target field, click at the end of the link given in target field and add one space. Now type this -- incognito . Add this line after the end of link and click on apply, click continue, press OK. Now whenever you open Google Chrome from that shortcut, it automatically opens in incognito mode. So this is how you can always open Google Chrome in incognito mode. So if you find this video useful, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.